The total number of personnel that the DSW intend to hire are 77 technical people for the National Program Management Office and 33 for the administration support. Likewise, they will be hiring regional program management personnel for the different regions, totaling to 1,083 personnel to provide technical support and an administrative support personnel in a total of 738. All in all, this would mean a total of 1,821 in the field offices or the regional offices, as well as 110 in the central office. The total number presently of actually hired staff includes 75 for the central office and 1,365 for the regional offices. Madam's majority floor leader, rather, Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.
How much is the total payroll for the additional 1,821 field officers, Mr. Speaker?
It's roughly of the 21 billion, I think it's roughly 53 billion, Your Honor. Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, the personal services increase from 2010 to 2011 is 56 million pesos for a 21 billion program. From 644 million to 710 million.
Pardon me, Mr. Speaker.
56 million pesos is the increase in personal services. So you will be hiring 77.
It's not corrected. It's
Session suspended. niyo yung cellphone number ko para tawagan.